Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. So how can I self-treat gamer's thumb, mommy's thumb, typer's thumb, or the Quervain syndrome with tape? We have an easy one coming right up. Before we get to the taping, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. We appreciate your support. So how do you know you have it? You have to do the Finkelstein's test, and it looks something like this, where you stick your thumb into your fist and you slowly pull down. You don't want to go too fast. You want to slowly pull down. If it hurts or pulls in any way, you are likely a victim of the Quervain syndrome. So how did it get this way? The casing around the tendon, or sheath as we called it, gets irritated. Why is it irritated? Instability or weakness at the wrist joint and poor control of the muscles surrounding it. So ultimately, you need stability and strengthening. Today, we will only talk about stabilizing it with the tape. So one thing before we get to it, do not try to stretch this muscle or this tension. It's not gonna help. It's only gonna make it worse. So let's get to the taping. What we wanna do is start preparing. We got your 4.5 squares. The reason we do that is we are trying to find the exact length, so the base of your thumbnail all the way to your mid forearm. That's the length. And then what we want to do is you want to cut 1 square worth. Generally, that's all you need. After that, you're going to round the edges. Around the edges a little bit. Good. So things don't stick to one another. Great. So after you have that, you kind of want to set it up where you split the legs. The legs go between the thumb here, where things are then going to hook under. The cool thing about tape like this is that it's got thin paper. You can just rip it so things don't stick. So let's start with the outside leg right here. We're gonna hook it this way and go under. So we'll go right here, hook it there, do a light little pull here. And then you're gonna do the inside leg and do the same thing and go right under. So we're gonna inside leg. Sometimes you gotta stabilize it. There. You gotta go right under. Take that tape paper off and go right under and hook it right there. There we go. And you're gonna start with about 20% pull, and you're gonna then lay it down like this and just pat it down nicely. So we'll take this tape off, start slow, and create that pulling. Use your pinky to comb it over. And you want to get your wrist about 15 degrees downwards too to set that up as well. So we want to continue to pat that down, continue to get that going, and smooth it out. And that pretty much consists. So if you even want to try that test again, and it's a little bit easier. That'll save you a little bit. The next step after taping is to do strengthening exercises. And we have a few exercises for wrist and hand, including the thumb intrinsic exercise. We'll link those below. Please give this taping a try and see if it helps. Let us know what you think and leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe, and we appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.